Construction with Kyle. Hey!
A is for Asphalt Paver. B is for Bulldozer. C is for Crane. D is for Dump Truck. E is for Excavator. F is for Forklift. G is for Grader. H is for Horizontal borer. I is for Impact roller. J is for Jackhammer. K is for Knuckle boom loader. L is for Loader. M is for Mixer truck. N is for Narrow trencher. O is for Off-road dump truck. P is for Pickup truck. Q is for Quarry truck. R is for Road roller. S is for Skid steer. T is for Trailer truck. U is for Utility truck. V is for Vector. W is for Wrecking ball. X is for X-frame scissor lift. Y is for Yard truck. Z is for Zipper.